Welcome back to my channel, people. In today's video, we're going to talk about CCI, fractal, and bollinger band combination. This strategy, I've tested it before and it gives a very high win rate, right? So I'm going to show you guys how to exactly use the fractal, bollinger band, and CCI indicator. Okay, so first, we're going to adjust the settings. Fractal, we keep the settings at 2. We don't change the settings or the color, right? And for Bollinger Bands, we're going to change the period to 20 so we could get the lines a little bit bigger. Let me just type it in right here. Right, just like that. For the CCI, we're going to put it at 23. Okay. And guys, this is the settings for it. So now, guys, what we are doing is we're looking for times where the price breaks the Bollinger Band, and then the CCI is overbought, touching the level or below the level is overbought. Then we enter a trade immediately when the fractal give us a confirmation also. So we use three combination together, and as you could see right here, this trade would have been a winning trade for us. So let's find some opportunity. We have an opportunity here. So guys, the platform registration link is in the pin comment and it's in the description. You could create a free demo account and pocket option and you will get 50k to trade free. And if you deposit $50 or more, you'll get 50% bonus on your money. So guys, you could use that as an advantage in the market. So let's see how this trade is going to play out. Now, guys, as you can see, we have our fractal right here, right? We came out of the Bollinger Bands and now we came back in the Bollinger Band. Plus, the CCI is giving us a downward direction. So we have all indicators going in the same direction. So this signal right here particularly is very, very strong. And when you find moments like this, it's so great. So we're going to wait for this trade to close, guys, real quick. And it's very notable to understand that in the financial markets you have to have a lot of strategies, right? And you have to learn how to combine different strategies in different market condition. So in this particular market condition, we could see that the CCI, the fractal, and the Bollinger Band is giving us a very, very good win rate, guys. So yeah, this is very nice. So we're waiting for this candle to close now, and then we're going to find our next trade. Okay. All right. And right now our candle is about to close, and this trade is so clean. And as you can see, it's gonna be a winning trade. Beautiful, beautiful. Let's find our next trade. As you guys could see, we have an opportunity right here. Um, if you check, the fractal is below the green candle, so it means we are going up. And the CCI already crossed in and is trying to reach up also. So we can see that the signal is very strong, right? Plus there are three green candle in a row. So that simply means the momentum is strong also. So yes, guys, we're waiting for this trade to close. We have about 1 minute and 25 seconds. So in that time, I want to take the time out to talk to you guys about the importance of waiting for a good trade. Okay. And sometimes when you don't find a good trade, you have to be very, very patient until you do find a good trade. As you guys can see, this trade is about to close right now, and it's such a good signal. Um, this trade is pretty accurate, and everything is lining up properly. So this will be a win. Beautiful, beautiful. I'm gonna search for one more trade. Okay, guys. I want to take the time out to tell you guys that if you want a free strategy and a free money management tactics, you could contact me in Telegram. I am giving away free strategy and free money management to all those who reach out to me on Telegram. And guys, yeah, in these times, I think it's very crucial for you to have multiple strategies, guys. So therefore, when you reach out to me, you could just let me know what type of style you like in trading, and I will try to adjust the strategy that I give you. Um, guys, as you could see right here, this is a very good moment because if I remove this dollar sign, um, the candle close in the Bollinger Band plus the fractal give a signal plus the CCI giving signal of buying pressure. So therefore, we're expecting the price to go higher. So we're waiting for the price to close. And I'm very sure about this trade because I could see that the signal is so strong. It's so incredible, guys. Because I'm looking at other factors too, guys, which is what I will teach you when you join the Telegram also. But if you even do it by yourself, by what I'm teaching you right now in the video, yes, it could still work. But if you contact me on Telegram, I will give you guys in-depth secrets of the market. Okay, so let's wait for this one to close and look for another trade after this one if we win it, which I highly think I'm gonna win it, but again, I'm not a fortune teller, but probabilities is very strong. We have three indication in the same direction. So let's get it. So we have, and that's a win. Beautiful, 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 beautiful. Guys, as you could see right here, guys, there is a momentum coming down, right? But because there's a momentum, we trust this signal, right? As you could see, the CCI is coming from the oversold area, right? With a momentum coming down, right? We're a little bit late. We should have entered around right here. But it's okay because we see the momentum. And this is why I said, guys, you really need to understand the market, right? And that's why I give away free strategies to beginners or even intermediate people who trying to become profitable. There's free strategy for you guys, which will help you guys to understand the market and to understand how to implement the strategies in each specific market. Because as you could see, we see this is a momentum market, right? So even though we were late for the signal, because it's a momentum market, the signal is still valid. And that is crucial for you guys to understand, right? It's very crucial to understand that sometimes if you miss a signal, if you understand the dynamics of the market, you could still take the trade. And that is so powerful, guys, the knowledge of understanding the market. It is so powerful. And we have about 30 minutes leaving this trade, guys. And we're going to wait for it to close. This trade is a beautiful win. And this will be our final trade for the day, guys. So we're going to wait for this to close. And yeah, we're going to finish our session right here. Beautiful. So, guys, the platform registration link will be in the description. Could create a free account and try out this strategy. Plus, if you deposit using the link in the pin comment or the description, you will get 50% on your deposit. And that's very good, guys. So, see you guys in the next one. Thank you for watching. Remember to like, share, comment, and subscribe. And let me know what type of videos you guys would like to see. So, until another time. Peace out.